Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to write a speech on National Microwave Oven Day. It is observed on 6th December to celebrate and honor the invention that has made their lives easier by making it convenient and faster for them to cook and reheat food. The day celebrates a kitchen appliance that revolutionized how we use it. I contrast to conventional cooking methods that use bowls and utensils along with fire. Microwave ovens use electromagnetic radiations to cook food by producing heat. It is a day to celebrate the invention that has made cooking and reheating food more convenient and quick for busy and single people. The strong microwave beams produced a heating effect that was perfect for cooking. To honor this day, explore many uses of the microwave oven during the day. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.